He stumbled into faith and thought, God, this is all there is. The pictures in his mind arose and began to breathe. And all the gods in all the worlds began colliding on a backdrop of blue. Blue lips, blue veins. He took a step but then felt tired. He said, I'll rest a little while. But when he tried to walk again, he wasn't a child. And no one saw and no one heard. They just followed me. I forget the words, but now it goes fast. I forget what happens about a picket fence and something about railroad tracks. Smelled real wide for the camera lens. Still forget what happens here, but it gets dramatic and filled with fear. Then it gets soft. Wow, this has been productive for a reason.